This video explains how to buy shares of Swiss Life Holding AG and walks through the practical steps. Swiss Life is a major Swiss life insurance and pension company listed on CBOE under the ticker SLHN.ZU. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SLHN.ZU to find Swiss Life. Select the result that matches Swiss Life Holding AG to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to check basic information. Confirm the page clearly shows Swiss Life Holding AG and the SLHN.ZU ticker before proceeding. Tap Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, it may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list after execution. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open the platform and follow the same steps.